Hey guys, how's it going today? I hope you're doing well. It is day, 21 or 22 of our self-imposed quarantine here on Vancouver Island. And we're staying home, making the best of it. I hope that you're doing the same, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you're finding things to keep yourself occupied. So far, let's see, I've cleaned out a couple of closets and spent a lot of time doing arts and crafts and making videos and, just having fun. Working part-time is certainly not keeping me excessively busy, although that hasn't really changed much. I still work from home, so yeah. Anyway, thank you for being here today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to pour just a couple of quick coasters. I got a couple of random coasters laying around. They don't match or anything, but they can be good for single gifts for people from their office or something. And yeah, I've got some extra paint of that dioxazine purple and those teals and stuff that I was using in that last video, so I'm just going to use them again and finish those off so I don't have to try to store them in those little tiny buckets overnight. Anyway, yeah, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's pour some paint. So these are just stunning. Oh my goodness. I know I just had a couple of random coasters sitting around. I'll give these away like to some friends. I'll just give them one, right? But look at that. It looks really kind of different in the camera, of course. They always do. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. I hope life is treating you well. Take care of yourself. Bye now.